Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare a fantastic mask with an immediate effect for aging skin or mature skin. After the mask, you're gonna see how your skin looks glowy and refreshed. You're gonna see that straight away. It's a mask with an immediate effect, I promise you that. There are many women that love this mask, men too if they choose to do it. I mean, men have skin as well. So if you have skin and you want your skin to look great, revigorated, refreshed, and you want to prevent fine lines or just stop the clock for longer, then you should definitely use this mask. Stick around and let me show you how I prepare this. Put 20 milliliters of hot boiled water into a bowl, then add 2 teaspoons of grind linseeds seeds or flax seeds, they're called in the US, and mix that in as well. Linseeds are absolutely great for giving moisture to your skin. It calms irritation or even rosacea and acne, so it's great. Then take half of a ripe banana and add that to your mask as well. Banana is just amazing for skincare as well. Just mash everything together and get rid of the lumpy bits here. Banana has anti-aging effects. It treats acne and it's very rich in potassium and it will give your skin moisture. So why not have this in this mask? It's amazing. It's supposed to look like this. And I thought I should eat the other half of the banana. I mean, why waste food, right? Right. Now let's get down to business. I first opened my pores, cleansed my skin, of course, with face wash and just, make sure your skin is cleansed before applying any mask. Open your pores with a hot cloth or have a shower before or a bath or just, whatever you want. And put that on your neck as well if you're using, or this mask is basically going to go all over the place on your neck. Just under the eyes we're going to apply this mask as well because it's supposed to be for anti-aging. So it's for anti-aging, so that's why it needs to go just under the eyes as well. That's very beneficial. Leave the mask on for about 20 minutes until it turns kind of dark because the banana will oxidate on your skin, of course, and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. My skin looked very even-toned skin after this mask. It looked glowy. I really like this mask. I am doing this very often. I use this under my moisturizer. It has CBD oil in, and I will be reviewing this product very soon on my channel and let you know what I think about it. I've been using this for about 3 months now. So just putting that all over the place, including my neck. And I'm not showing here, but I'm also applying a moisturizer after this. And that's it. That's our mask. I hope you liked it and I hope it helps your skin. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you could see the results immediately. Let me know what you think about this mask. Let me know if you like it and let me know if it works for you. I always like to see your opinions on how you can mix some ingredients with other ingredients that I never maybe thought of using. So let me know your suggestions or your ideas and how it worked for you in the comments below. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and more, hopefully, helpful information for you. See you soon in my next video. Bye!